First of all, we have a try block. The try block starts out with a keyword try, opens up some curlies, and that's it. After the try block, we are allowed to place a couple of different things, but one of those things, or one out of the two of the things we can place after a try block, is a catch block. It's important to realize that you cannot have a try block without a catch block or a finally block, but that's irrelevant. So you always must specify, at least for now, a catch block. And a catch block is just the keyword catch followed by a block of code. So what exactly happens here? Well, think of it this way. A try block, when you open up a try block and you start writing code within it, what you are essentially doing is saying, I know that there's the possibility of an error to happen here. I know this code might throw an exception. Now, if it does throw an exception, I want this code to stop executing, and I want this code to start executing. That's an important thing to realize. When an exception is thrown within a try block, execution within that try block stops. And I can prove that to you guys by hitting F5, and I can type in a denominator that is valid, such as 43, and hit enter, and we see the result of line 13. As in, hey there is being printed out to the console. We see that code actually did reach this point of execution. But if I was to type in 0, which is invalid, and hit enter, we don't get line 13 executing. Line 13 no longer runs. Instead, we get an error happened. So what happened is code on line 11 executed, and it resulted in a runtime error. Then we exited the try block, found the catch block, and printed out an error has happened.